And thanks for joining Beth and I this morning. We have some exciting news to share with you guys for first-time home buyers. Many of you already know about the FHLB program, where if you're at 80% of median income levels or less, your total household income is less than that 80% of AMI, you can get up to $15,000 in grant money.
Mm-hmm.
And you only need about $1,000 into the transaction, which is phenomenal. And you can buy anywhere in the state of Maryland. It's amazing. So that money is limited. It came out a couple months ago, and we're probably at the tail end of the money coming in. But I do have some exciting news. And I have a lot of buyers out there that when we try to calculate that income, they just happen to be just over that 80% of AMI. So here is what we have. We have what we call the first-time homebuyer FHLB program Workforce Plus. That is for buyers that are over 80% at 80.01 up to 120% of the AMI. And what does that mean for our area? That's a household income of over $120,000. So what I think FHLB of Atlanta is doing for us and for the community and for our nation is the fact that there's so many people out there that are above that, because wages really aren't really increasing that much, right? Houses, the prices of homes are going up, but it's not in sync with our income and salaries and our wages. So this product, Workforce Plus, is meeting that demand. So some of the specs on this program is the fact that they kind of meet and are same as the FHLB Atlanta for the 80% of median income levels or less, where you can get up to $15,000 in income. Again, you only need $1,000 into the transaction. You could buy anywhere in the state of Maryland. I also wanted to share with you, like if you have a household of four, as an example, you can have up to $97,360 for the regular FHLB, where you can go up to 120 plus for a household of four for FHLB Atlanta Workforce Plus.
That's awesome.
So,
very good. Well, thank you so much for all those specs. I'm Beth Golding. I'm with Remax Advantage, and the realtor part is so exciting. And this is where it is really going to help a lot of our clients that have been struggling to get those funds to close. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer to use these monies. So not a first-time home buyer, up to $15,000, you can get these funds. So you can own a house, and as long as you close the house before you buy your next one,
yeah,
you can
that's
use
correct.
these funds, right? Yeah,
Yep.
I mean, it's so amazing.
You do not have to be a first-time home buyer, but you cannot be on
buyer.
title. Yeah, you cannot be on title.
Right. So you can go ahead, with your house, and you can start looking for houses and get your other house under contract, and then settle your current house, and then use these $15,000 worth of funds from the federal government, up to $15,000, to purchase your next home. And that is huge. There's nothing out there like that.
Yeah, so I really think that this program really can help supplement your down payment and closing costs.
Absolutely.
As you know, closing costs are a lot in the state of Maryland, right? So between needing a 3.5% down payment or a 5% down payment, in some cases you may qualify for a conventional 3% down payment. But with the closing costs, you can need quite a bit of money, and that $12,500 to $15,000 can really help supplement that down payment closing cost, to where you need very little money into the transaction.
Right. And then the qualifications, when you go to get pre-qualified, it's so easy to figure out, like if somebody were to reach out to you, so easy to figure out whether they qualify for which program. And then if they don't qualify for this new program, there's other programs that they may qualify for. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Sure. So I'm Mario Orlando with Meridian Bank. I've been the loan originator for 31 years, and I specialize in first-time home buyer programs. And this is one of the more favorable products out there that I enjoy rolling out and helping people with. And if you come to me, what I typically would do is take a look and analyze your income, which is very important, because if you're below the 80% of median income level, then you qualify for the FHLB regular program, where you have to go by total household income. So even though you may be, one borrower A, and you're the only one on a loan, if there's anyone else in the household, a spouse or significant other, or even children over the age of 18, it goes by total household income. And sometimes that's what really kind of kills the deal as far as getting the grant.
Mhm.
So that's why they rolled out this first time home buyer, not first time home buyer, but
Right,
workforce
right.
plus program, right? I'm so
Yeah,
used to say first time home buyer when it's
I
really
know.
just it's for anybody at this point in time. But that's a lot of times it kills the deal, because when you calculate the total household income, it'll put you over to 80% of
Yep.
median income level. So that's why this program probably fits the niche that we need. It's important.
Yeah, and
It's
I think it helps out a lot of the people that we've been working with, and some people that are like, I still need to save some money, or I'm just not quite there yet. It really just pushes them to be like, look, I'm gonna get $15,000 to buy my
yeah,
house right
yeah,
now. I mean, how can you not, move forward with that opportunity? So
right.
I'll just give you a little bit of information about Mario and I. When you work together with Mario and I, we are highly available. We communicate how you want to communicate, whether it's via text or email. We do Zoom meetings together with our clients like this all of the time. So if
Yeah,
you have any questions, if you want to get this process started, just reach out to us any way that you want to, either via email, via text, via Facebook Messenger. We will respond to anything. So we're looking forward to helping a lot more people with these programs. Again, I'm Beth Golding with Remax Advantage, Mario Orlando with Meridian Bank, and we're looking forward to serve you in the near future.
yeah. Love working with you, Beth. You're
Yep,
great.
me too.
You really tried.
You too.
Personalize our business, and it's important.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay, so excited. Thank everybody
yeah.
for coming.